What I'm trying to suggest to you is that rather than have an all or nothing approach, you need to have a steady structure in place first. Okay? A day by day structure where you know what time you get up, what time you go to bed, when you eat your meals, when you have your rest breaks, and more importantly, what movement plan do you have? Because if you don't have a movement plan and you're just going to guess on any given day, it's a hit and miss game, and you're probably going to set yourself up for failure. If you do have a set movement program that you can follow and that is beneficial for you, then you can start to move forwards with your recovery. Now, exercise should never be done when you have a flu, a virus, an infection, or you have that sick feeling inside you that you know you shouldn't do anything. What I say to my clients is you should never ever exercise if you're below a 3 out of 10. All right. Now, when you're above 3 or at 4 or more, then movement is okay as long as it's suitable for you. Now, don't get all angry at me and go, Toby, you don't understand. I can't exercise my way through this. I totally get that, okay? Some people, literally, their movement program is lying down in bed and then sitting up. That's a movement program, okay? A movement program can be simply sitting at the couch and literally raising one arm up at a time 3 times. Okay, that takes about 5 seconds to do. Now, this might seem crazy and you might think I'm crazy, but you know, history says and science shows that if you do not move your body, you will actually decondition and get worse. So restorative exercises that rebuild your condition without overloading your body is very simple, very effective, and it's going to help you rebuild your strength and stamina. When people say to me, Toby, you know, exercise is bad for you. You should never exercise. Okay. How are you going to have the strength and stamina to walk from your house to your car, to pick up the shopping, to go to the movies with your friend and do all that? If you don't have the strength and stamina to do that, then you can't do it. Okay. A lot of people's goals are to get healthy and to restore their health. And even 5 or 10% improvement can make a huge difference in your daily function and activities. Okay. Now, it's important that a solid routine and structure should be built before you start any movement program. A lot of people rush into exercise or movement and they don't have a set routine. They don't have any daily activities, you know, getting out of bed, having a shower, doing your daily chores, whether it's washing, whether it's even talking to a friend, or even, you know, being on the computer for more than half an hour, or even reading a book for 2 minutes. We need to implement a daily routine and structure that you can stick to before you start any movement program so it's safe and effective for you. One rule of thumb for everyone out there is that as you're recovering with CFS, you want to make sure that a less is more approach is there for you.